Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on Shein app. To know how to fix or how to solve unknown error occurred on Shein app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Shein and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click on clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.